more, maybe. I don't know, maybe amateur radio stuff is not interesting you. Well, okay, we'll go back to the CB radio gear. Anyway, I got tons of this crap. So anyways, so right now we have a realistic TRC-415. This particular one, it transmits. No idea if it modulates or not, but it transmits. There's no sound from the internal speaker. I got my external speaker plugged in here, and you can hear a little click in the speaker up there, which tells me that there's some sound or something, audio, being produced by the audio amp of some sort, or voltage, but no sound. No sound at all. So the first thing, I guess we'll do, we're going to put a modulation meter in line with the dummy load here, and we'll see if we're getting any modulation from this particular radio. And then we know the transmitter is working, then we'll know the modulation is working, then we know we got a problem with the audio amplifier itself, or related circuit. Okay, radio's on channel 40. I got my power SWR, modulation meter, and dummy load hooked up here. So right now she's on the modulation. So let's see. Test 1 2 1 2 audio. As you can see, there's no modulation. Let's set to calibrate. Modulation. Set the modulation. Test 1 2 1 2 1 2 audio. So we got no modulation. Over here is my power. She's set to 5 watts. And we've got 4 watts exactly. And then we've got SWR here. And we have nothing. Calibrate. There we go. We have no SWR whatsoever. Test 1 2 1 2 1 2. So we have no modulation from the radio. We have no sound from the radio. So that leads you to believe an audio amplifier problem. So, not sure if it's been changed out or not. She's not getting warm or nothing. But let's see. Let's check the bottom, see if there's any connection broken clear here. But as she sits, we have no audio whatsoever being made by this radio, receive or transmit, folks. So this is the basic drawing for the Kia 7217. Pin 6 being input, pin 10 being output, pin 9 ground, and pin 1 is 13 volts. Pin 1 has a 13 volts, pin 9 is ground, and so the pin 6, according to schematic, pin 6 is shared between the receiver audio and the microphone audio. And with the help of a piece of test equipment that I've yet to show you, got myself a scope. Had this now for a while, actually. Got it there this summer. But anyways, so let's take a look at the screen. You see the lines. This is with the volume on bust on pin 6, and then I'll just turn it off. Turn it up. So I don't know how well you can see that. Probably not very good at all, but that there. See how it just goes through just a solid line when there's no audio. And when I turn the audio up, you get sound. And pin 6 is on squelched, so the squelch control has no bearing on pin 6. Okay, so we know we have audio going into pin 6 into the audio amplifier. So we know the receiver is producing sound. It is fairly low, obviously, low in intensity going on to pin 6 and the input. So now we're going to check the modulation, because again she shows no modulation on transmit. 1 2 3, nothing there. So again, with the probe on pin 6, we'll now see test 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 5 4 3 2 1, audio. Audio 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, audio. 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 So we know we have modulation going into pin 6 to the audio amp. The audio amplifier is not producing any sound on the output. So this is leading me to believe that the audio amp, the Kia 7217 AP, is actually faulty in this TRC-415. We have another TRC-415 right here. I could technically take the audio amp out of this one, just temporarily put it into this one. But I just so happen that I've also got a couple of these 415s that are scrapped, and I have audio amp chips in those boards. So anyways, so we know we have modulation going in the audio amp, and we know we have receive audio going into the amp. There's nothing going out of it. We have supply voltage, but no audio out. Now, it could be because the audio amp is bad, or it could be something on the output of the audio amp could be faulty. But as you can tell, that's the volume turned all the way off, volume turned all the way up. So we do know there's audio there, and we know we have modulation. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Audio 1 2, 1 2 1 2 1 2, audio. So there we have it. Anyways, I'll let this go for part 1, and we'll be back with part 2 shortly. Till part 2, we're basically going to replace the audio amp and see if we get any audio on the output of pin 10. Right now there is nothing, completely dead on pin 10, which is the output of the Kia 7217 AP audio amp. Till next video, all the best boys, and 73.